Many people struggle with stubborn belly fat. It can be difficult to figure out how to lose yours. It takes time, effort, and patience. There is no easy solution unless you want to submit to expensive surgery like liposuction, which often is only a temporary fix without maintaining a proper diet and fitness routine. Stubborn belly fat must be lost 1 pound at a time through diet and exercise. There are 3 main ways to lose your belly fat: regular exercise, reduced calorie intake, and abdominal exercises. Combine these and you will have the recipe for an effective weight loss plan. To begin to lose your belly fat, you should adjust your diet. Keep in mind that high-fat, high-calorie foods are a treat, not a daily food group. Take the time to clean out your cabinets and refrigerator. Remove any of these types of foods from your home. If you keep them around, you'll eat them. Consult your doctor or fitness trainer to determine an appropriate amount of calories for weight loss, and stick to this program. This reduced calorie diet will help prevent new belly fat from building up. Next, you need to begin a regular exercise routine. Find a heart-pumping exercise that you enjoy and incorporate it on a daily basis. You can do different activities each day if you are easily bored. Be sure, however, to exercise for at least 30 minutes per day. Your body burns energy from sugar for the first 10 to 15 minutes that you exercise. Only after that does it begin burning the fat around your middle. The more cardio you do, the more fat you will burn. It's a simple equation. After you have begun to lose your belly fat, you'll want to begin a series of abdominal exercises. These exercises will strengthen your muscles and lead to a lean, toned look. You can do these before you lose the fat, but you won't see any real results until you've lost the necessary weight. Six-pack abs do you no good if they're buried under excess layers of fat. Take the time today to begin to work towards better health. Consult your doctor and develop a diet plan that works for you. Begin to incorporate regular exercise into your daily schedule. As you lose weight, add in some abdominal exercises. Soon you'll have a body you can be proud of, and you'll be able to kiss your belly fat goodbye. Thanks for watching our video.